you made the right decision. You want to build up something. You want to become an entrepreneur, make money online, start a business, and you want to stop the 9 to 5 shit. And you also want to make something actual valuable, right? We all started with like the fucking dropshipping course, a social media agency, you know, all the stuff that you see online for like 10-15 minute YouTube videos about like top 10 ways on how to make money online, $200 every day with this method, new method unlocked. It's all just garbage. It's all just garbage. It's all just ways to refrain you or keep you from the actual path, which is entrepreneurship, actual business, where you put in the work for many days, for many hours, for many weeks, for many months, even maybe for years, till you are actually able to get the success that you wish for, right? We all have the problem that we want money fast, especially if there's like a pressure on you. There's like a negative energy around you, like you see like your parents, you know, having money problems, you know, living badly. You want to see them, you know, in a big house. You want to see your mother driving a nice car, or your father. You want to gift your father a nice car. And then you see all those other teenagers, young guys driving Ferraris and cars. You know, you have that pressure. You have the pressure. And that's why you search for a quick way on how to make money, how to become financially free. You search for a quick way. But the truth is, if you want something long term and quality, then that's gonna take time, and it's gonna take a lot of effort. There's an analogy I can give you that will help you understand that the path where you are right now, or the place that you are in your path right now, is the most difficult. But if you continue, if you do not give up, it will reap the most rewards, you can say. The analogy is this: before you went to the gym and before you actually got addicted to the gym, because we're all kind of addicted to the gym, we love building muscles, right? It's not even discipline anymore, we just love going to the gym. Before you went, you had, you know, this, you know, kind of like scared feeling of all going to the gym, and then you went, and then you kind of enjoy it. You enjoy it for 2 to 3 weeks, you're motivated, and then it kind of drops off. You get tired, you don't see any progress. You're thinking like, what the fuck, why am I doing this? I don't see any progress. Doesn't really help, you know. All those other guys, you know, they fucking build a six-pack body, aesthetic body in 6 weeks. I don't see progress. It's not for me. Fuck it. Then there's some guys that stopped going to the gym completely. Those are the skinny bitches. Then there's the guys that keep going, even though they don't see progress yet. They just keep going. They have the disciplined mindset. They keep continuing to go. And then they finally see some progress. And once they see progress, once they see, you know, the bicep vein popping out, or, you know, their weight on bench press going up, then they get addicted. Then they want to continue doing that every single day, right? When I tell you, or when somebody asks you, what do you love to do? What's your hobbies? The only thing you're going to say is probably like, oh, I love doing fitness. That's the shit. You want to become addicted to business. But right now you're like in the unmotivated phase where you don't see any progress. But just trust me, keep continuing. And once you see progress, once you have a sale, you know, even if it's like just like $10, once you're actually able to notice, look, I made money online. I made my own money. I'm my own boss. This money is directly to me. I don't get a paycheck. The paycheck is the fucking sale, right? Then you get addicted. Then you're actually able to push forward. But that's the difficult part. There's where like the filter works out, right? The people that give up on business and entrepreneurship, they get filtered out, and they're gonna work the 9 to 5 till they're 65 and fucking, you know, drive a fucking Honda and, you know, stay broke. I'm not insulting you, but that's who is gonna get filtered out. And then there's the people that keep continuing, keep pushing, even though they don't see the progress yet or any like rewards, right? There's no gifts they can have. There's no fruit of their labor. They just have to continue working. And it might be, like I said, it takes years till you see any success. But trust me, I'd rather have you have that success in 1 to 2 years, and you're actually stable in that success. You keep getting money and you keep developing. I'd rather have you do that instead of trying every single day a different, drop shipping business, different way to make money online, top 10, you know, all those fucking bullshit, just believe me, this fucking videos and these guys, they don't know how shit works. Their business is creating this brain rot content. That's how they make money. Their business isn't like that they have like 10 businesses going on. They have copywriting, they have social media agency, they have Discord, whatever. That's not their business. Their business is just selling you garbage, right? You need to have that clear mindset. And if you want to truly like check your mindset, improve your mindset, check the link in the description. That's my mindset bootcamp. That's a paid course. But if you're truly interested in business and, you know, keep doing what you want to do, go ahead and check it out. But other than that, to summarize it again, you are not able to reap the rewards before you are putting the work in. And putting the work in is going to be hard. It's going to take a lot of discipline. But you just need to understand that if you're able to visualize, you know, getting the paycheck in or getting the money in from your business, being able to buy your dad a car, being able to buy your mom the gifts that she wants, the jewelry she wants, or the stuff that she wishes for and she doesn't need to work anymore, you know. My mom is kind of like, you know, my mom's back is completely broken. She can't work. And she truly is just fucked up, like the body is fucked up of her. I want to just see her, you know, are able to relax and enjoy life without, you know, any problems. At the end of the day, I think as a masculine man, it's not that you want to make money for yourself. Of course, we're going to enjoy the money we get. We enjoy the money and we buy ourselves stuff that we are grateful for. But I think where we see our most interest or what we actually want is providing, being able to provide that. And the problem nowadays, if you want to provide, you need money. You can't provide anymore with just your safety as a man, as a strong body man. That's not providing anymore. Of course, a woman will find you attractive and your girl will love you more if you have a aesthetic body. But if you're truly like masculine, you need to provide, and providing takes money. We're in a modern world. So I want you to promise to me that you will keep continuing the work. You're gonna continue building up your business, becoming an entrepreneur, build up something that you're actually proud of and is valuable and will make you financially free, even if it takes years, even if it takes months, if it takes a long time and a lot of hours and a lot of life headaches and a lot of sacrificing, you know, time with your friends. Promise me, because I'm telling you, if you believe in God or whatever, the world, you can also say the world will give you the rewards that you deserve. But what you put in, you will get out. If you put in garbage, you know, 10 minutes a day work, you know, just doing a little bit of work or trying drop shipping and doing this and drinking all day and not really putting the work in, you will get garbage back. But if you sacrifice, if you take your time, because the time is gonna, you know, the time is ticking anyway. There's no difference if you do not do the work or do you do the work. The time is gonna tick anyway. 1 year is 1 year. So you rather just put in the work in that 1 year. If you do that, if you build up quality, if you put in the fucking work, you will get your fruits of your labor and it will become, you know, the money that you wish for. Or just the proudness that you have something online that gives you money. And maybe you aren't able to retire yet, you know, you aren't able to quit your job yet. But imagine you make like $1,000 a month now online and you make $4,000 a month from your job. You now have 5,000. You can either, you know, reduce your work time in your 9 to 5, or maybe, you know, look for a way where you can invest that money. The more money you have, the more money you can get from your online business, the more you can distance yourself from that 9 to 5. And try to find other ways to make money or to multiply the money by investing and everything. But that's not my topic. That's not this channel is all about. My channel is about mindset improvement. I'm just telling you, put the work in. And if you do, and you never give up and you keep continuing to do the work, you will become and get what you want. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.